All right, I'm Lion Runner with reviews and revisits, and we're looking at Sharex again, Sharex 16.1. You can see here on my channel, reviews and revisits, we looked at how to add the microphones in the last Sharex video that you see here. And we're going to now look at doing the internal audio capture. That's where you're not using a microphone as you hear me speaking into to record this video, but you're capturing the audio that's played from a video on the computer itself, and you capture the computer's audio that it's putting out, but it's captured in your video. So that's what we'll look at with this one. Don't forget to take a moment to like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. That helps me out here on the channel to grow the channel. And we're going to get into what we do here. Again, we're using ShareX 16.1, so this is the new one, the latest one in 2024 that I know of. We're going to task settings over here in the left panel. It's task settings. Let's opens up this dialog box, and we want to go to screen recorder. All right, here we just click on screen recording options. I don't know of any reason yet, as of yet, to select any of these other options. So we just go screen recording options. And we want to find install recorded device, install recorded devices. Just as with the previous version that I showed a couple years ago, we do after all have to establish or install the recording devices, even though I said something to the effect in the last video that I didn't think we had that this time. You do still have to do that. Now, when I click install recorded devices, it opens up a window to allow modification to your screen. It's not going to show on the recording I already tried before, so I'm going to do that and come back. But well, before we do that, let's look at some things. We don't have anything showing here in this box that I think will be shown. Here in the microphone sources, we have the computer's microphone. That's the external one that I'm speaking into now to get this recording. And let's see what we have once I install this item from install recorded devices. Let me pause this and then we'll come back. So I clicked on install recorded devices. It gave me, it took over my screen just as if you're downloading any other executable. It's called it says on the dialog box that comes up recorder dash devices dash setup dash executable. And once I clicked yes on that to be able to modify my computer to the H drive, this dialog box pops up. So it shows me where it's going to place this new executable, and it's going to be in my program files, recorded devices for ShareX. I'm going to copy this so I can easily go directly to it. Let's it says browse. Well, I guess I could browse if I wanted to put it somewhere else. Let me look. I'm just gonna put it where it wants to put it right now. All right. Go with the default. I don't know of any reason to change anything here, so we're going to stick with these defaults. This is a 64-bit computer, so install. It's doing all the work, as you can see. You're watching it happen live with me. My first time doing it for this version. Completing the recorded devices for ShareX Setup Wizard. Let's finish. All right, I should be able to go to that location. Okay, we just saw some things like they changed. This changed right here, and so did the audio source. So before this was the graphics device interface was the selection. Now it changed it to screen capture recorder. And over here in the audio source, we looked directly at that. We saw that it was the external mic that I'm speaking into. Now it has it showing video audio capture. I wonder if you're even hearing me. So since it made a change, and the point that I was showing and making that was that both the video source changed and the audio source changed. It took away my external mic. So I don't know if you heard that. I'm going to go back to the internal mic, and then we're going to play some lovely music. I mean, not music, but we'll play a video, probably my last year X video, to see if we get the internal audio of something playing on the computer when I have it selected on virtual audio capture. So let's do that, and then we'll go to a video. Switching back over real quick, just to note that I decided to show my Snagit video instead. So now we'll listen to some of the Snagit videos, see if it picks up.
All right, so I'm going to show you another software that has screen recording ability. And let me find it. It's called Snagit. That's Snagit. And with this one, you get this ability to take pictures. You get this kind of editor here, or this is really not the editor. This is the, I don't know what you call it. But anyway, you can, you can size up how much of the screen you want to take a picture of. So there you go. And then you have this editor that everything comes into. You can see all of the previous.
All right, so now I've changed back over to the microphone, and we're going to have to see how that all works. We'll have to, I have to stop this video and actually uh, listen and play, see if I can play that video and see if we got the audio to come through as expected. If we did, you'll be watching this video. If it didn't come through, then, well, I'll have to figure it out on my own, and then we'll see how to make it play, and I'll come back and record another segment to add into the video to that point. But hopefully, this will allow you to be able to use Snagit 16.1 to watch it, to record videos as they play on screen and get that audio from the on screen play. Uh, with that, make sure you take the time to like, subscribe, notification bell, all those things really important. Really appreciate it. And Lion Runner, I'm out on this one. Peace.